Episode 12 sucked. I didn't advertise it. What's happening tonight is I'm going to the salsa bachata bonfire and I'm going to vlog the shit out of it. And I'm going to make it exciting. And I'm going to put myself out there and I'm really hoping to give you guys some interesting content because I know episode 12, it was a big fucking shit. So I'm going to make that up to you tonight, hopefully. And thank you so much for your patience and support. God bless, guys. Hi everybody, Matt here. So I'm gonna head on over to this salsa bachata bonfire and it's gonna be freaking awesome. There's gonna be a lot going on, performances, lesson, and some casual drinking and eating. So hopefully I do the place justice. And if this vlog's a fail, it's on me, not that fucking place, because it's bomb. Alright, talk to you guys soon. Peace. Hey guys, Matt Dunstan here. I just arrived at Carlisle.
One, two, three, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. She's comfortable, and we're dancing on. Show me your basics. Show me your basics. And then until I start competing, then I do 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Shoulders. 1. Just, I want to see basic steps back and forth on time. Okay, PJ, let's hear it. One, 2, 3, 5, 9. Now I feel.
With 6 fabulous showrooms in the GTA, customers know drop windows is the place to buy.
Down is going to be turning outside. So I'm going 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, as you can see, it is starting to rain. It is gonna piss and it is gonna pour. So I have retreated to the comfort of my car until this passes. And then we'll see what if anything is still going on after this hellish storm strikes. But it could actually make things more interesting. Can you believe that? It's like, let's get a tornado! Woo! But yeah, vlogger life. Okay. I'll talk to you guys soon and let you know how it goes. Hopefully I don't die into a tornado thunderstrike. Woo! Well, with all this rain, I think it's pretty much done for. Thunder continues to strike. It's been like a good 15 minutes. And it doesn't look like it's going to end. So I'm thinking I just call it a night, get some McDonald's, go back home, take my meds, because I got to take them with the meal, and just go to bed, you know. I had a really good time, and I feel like I got to reconnect with some people that I haven't got to see for a good amount of time, so that was always nice. And I don't know, just in true Sobes the Hobo spirit, like I just freaking went with it. Well, that's a tree. It's really in my way. I came to a bit of a sudden stop here and really fucked up my car. So we're going to see what happens next, but I'm not hopeful about this whole situation. quite upset, as it were. Alright, wish me luck. Guys, waiting to be rescued is the boringest shit ever, okay? I fucking hit this tree like 20 hours ago and I'm still not free. This is fucking shitty. I just actually want to go home. Oh my god. Wish me luck, guys, because this is some fucking shitty shit, to be honest. I got a fucking tree entangled in my car. Like, I just want to go home and not deal with this fucking giant headache. Like, fuck. So gay. Just staying home and playing Fortnite would have been way wiser tonight. Instead, I came out here and fucked myself for the next foreseeable future. Like, I was trying to drag out the life of my car for as long as I can, and I thought mechanically it would fail. Not hitting a fucking down tree on a fucking stormy night. Fuck me. I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys. Wish me luck. This fucking sucks so goddamn much! Ah! Okay, it's alright. So, tail end of things, we're going to do the accident report, and you know, I'm just lucky to make it out of there alive, and yeah, day by day. Thank you. Well, my dad's driving me home now after this whole fiasco. Glad it's over. Fucking not looking forward to the immediate future and getting used to not having a car. It's gonna fucking suck, but it is what it is.